So the type of insurance policies that will cover all these expenses are usually called mediclaim, which is the normal health insurance, and then critical illness and disability insurance. You can also look for policies with which are covering OPD treatments. So they will have a list of OPD treatments that are covered by the policy. Most of the time, these treatments are one of those treatments which have been an inpatient treatment earlier, but since the technology has advanced and you can basically be free of the hospitalization. You don't have to be hospitalized and you can be treated within a couple of hours and released. So, for example, a cataract treatment is nowadays a few hours, uh, 30 minutes to 45 minutes treatment. And after that, you can resume your normal duties. But obviously, there will be some cautionary things you will have to take care of. Otherwise, you are free to move around and do your normal duty and life. And then there is accidental death and disability insurance. With accidental, there is a lot of misconception about accidental death and disability insurance uh, that I can elaborate you a little bit about. That is, accidental death and disability does not cover your hospitalization expenses to a great extent. So, for example, if you have a 10 lakh rupee accidental cover, so 10 lakh is payable only at the death of the insured. If you are hospitalized due to an accident, you are recovering, you have been injured and have a temporary disability. Accidental insurance may not cover it unless and until you have those conditions and those features, those benefits included in the policy. So, under normal circumstances, the standard accidental policy covers only permanent disability. That means you lose a hand, or you lose a leg, or you lose two legs or two hands, things like that. So, permanent total disability is treated as a death uh, by the policy. So, they will pay you the entire amount unless and until it is defined separately. So, and after that, policy ceases to exist. In case of partial disability, you are paid a smaller percentage of that total benefit amount, and then again the policy may cease to exist, and you will have to get a new policy. So, accidental death and disability, accidental insurance, you need to be a little bit cautious about accidental insurance. It's not a mediclaim insurance. If you are hospitalized due to accidental injuries, accidental insurance may not take care of those expenses. You will need a health policy along with the accidental insurance. And then there is income protection clauses. So there is no separate insurance for income protection. It is a part of either your mediclaim policy or your critical illness insurance or your accidental insurance. So it's an inbuilt feature in one of these or all of these policies. You can inquire and purchase this with the policy.